Hello, welcome to this presentation on interactive whiteboards by Crystal Machado, Alana Gray, and Jonathan Fong Lee. So let's begin and talk about what an interactive whiteboard is.
So, first of all, what is an interactive whiteboard? Well, it's basically a touchscreen computer monitor. Now, the first interactive whiteboard was introduced in 1991 by David Martin and Nancy Knowlton with their company Smartboard. It was first created as a device that would allow users to have a whiteboard and a touchscreen computer all in one. Now, several years after the first interactive whiteboard was launched, many new features have been added, like the ability to project documents and videos. It can still be used just like a normal whiteboard, but you can save what you wrote and pull it up at a later time. Now that there are several interactive whiteboards on the market, some come with more features than others. Nevertheless, you can definitely find an interactive whiteboard in today's office buildings, schools, and even homes.
Interactive whiteboards can be used in many ways both in the workplace and in the classroom. To begin, not only do interactive whiteboards enhance the quality of presenting lectures and lessons, they also engage audiences more than the traditional chalkboard, bringing presentations to life. They're interactive and efficient and help to incorporate technology into the classroom. Rather than writing out every small detail, interactive whiteboards get a job and point across simply and efficiently, and are nothing short of a new age learning experience.
Hi. For this slide, I'll be discussing some of the advantages and disadvantages of using interactive whiteboard technology. According to a questionnaire based on my research, we can conclude that interactive whiteboard technology are actually a good tool to enhance the overall teaching experience. According to the research, every teacher at Park Street School indicated that having access to interactive whiteboard technologies has increased the overall understanding of the technology as an instruction tool to the students. And then 83% of the teachers agree and strongly agree that they are comfortable using the smartboard technology as an educational tool. Every teacher felt that their teaching abilities were enhanced using this technology, and this is a good technology that can be used very much when transferring knowledge to students. Therefore, when using this technology, it has been proven to have a really good success rate. It enhances the overall student's learning experience, and overall, we can say that it improves the student's career preparation. However, on the other hand, there are some disadvantages when it comes to using this technology. And one of these disadvantages is that pricing. This technology is not cheap. It can be quite expensive when trying to integrate them within the entire school system. So another disadvantage of this technology is that they can only be as interactive as the lesson permits. So therefore, teachers need to use them in a way that allows students to be actively involved in the discussion and learning process of the student. And another disadvantage of this technology is that teachers need to be trained not to just be technical in the understanding of how to use this educational tool, but as well as they need to create sessions where they can practice, experiment, and reflect on what they create using these new resources and how to effectively integrate these new resources within their lesson content. So yep, those are some of the advantages and disadvantages of So what are some of the future trends for the smartboard technology? Well, as we know, the education sector is expected to lead the interactive whiteboard market from 2018 to 2013. The increasing demand for learning and interactive learning is a major factor driving this growth. But one interesting aspect of it is that due to rapid advancement in technology, companies focus on innovation, provide a variety and additional features in these products. Researchers associated with different companies are focusing on integrating new technologies in conventional interactive whiteboards. make them user-friendly and interactive. Artificial intelligence is one of those technologies that's being discussed, which provides huge opportunities for the smartboard technology market to grow. An AI-based smartboard could help take down notes during a lecture, translate the lecture into another language, and enable remote users to attend the meeting or lecture. Due to this, various companies are focusing on integrating AI into interactive whiteboards. This is a new technology that's being tested and hopefully will be implemented very soon into this technology.
In conclusion, interactive whiteboards are a simple and efficient way to increase classroom and workplace engagement despite their expensive costs. They are becoming more in demand as the need for technological backgrounds and knowledge advances. Interactive whiteboards help promote interaction and engagement during lessons and lectures, which ultimately leads to a better understanding of whatever point someone is trying to get across. When people can see something rather than just hear it, it puts things more into perspective.
Here are our references if you'd like to learn more about interactive whiteboards. And here are our group members' responsibilities. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new.